Here we've got a 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander. We've just done the service, so we're going to reset the service light. So push button start. So when I go to start the car, you can see in the dash here, once it loads up, routine maintenance is required. So the way you're going to reset this, by turning the car off, navigate with this button through this menu. Until you reach the kilometers with the spanner. What you're going to do is now hold until it flashes, you let go and you hold it down again. Hold it for around 10 seconds. Let go, press clear, press it in again, and that's how the reset is done. So thanks for watching and hope this video helps.